السلام عليكم. كيف حالكم أصدقائي؟ Welcome everyone to Lingua Space. I am Ahmed Salah, your Arabic instructor. In today's lesson, we're gonna talk about the Arabic alphabet. An alphabet are the letters what help you to pronounce any word correctly in some language. For your information, the Arabian world has 22 countries. These are distributed between 2 continents, 10 countries in Africa and 12 in the Asian continent. Unlike the English alphabet, Arabic has 28 letters in its alphabet, in addition of other 6 consonants. And Arabic has some completely similar counterparts in English, except other some. Let's get started. Those 28 letters begin with Alif, Alif, Ba, Ba, Ta, Ta. Here we must shortly pause for an important information. The word of alphabet is created from the sound of the first 3 Arabic letters. Alif, Ba, Ta equals alphabet. Alphabet from Alif, Ba, and Ta. Don't you hear the same? Let's complete. The next letter is Tha. Tha. Like thief. Thief. Jim. Jim. You can also pronounce it like Gim. Gim. Ha. Ha. Sounds hard to pronounce? Just imagine that you're eating something hot or spicy. Ha. Kh. Kh. Most of people pronounce it like K. K. That's absolutely wrong. It comes from the epiglottis. Kh. Kh. Dal. 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 Ra. Ra. Zai. Zai. Sin. Sin. Shin. Shin. Sad. Sad. Dad. Dad. Ta. Ta. Va. Va. Ain. Ain. To pronounce it correctly, feel your reaction once you smell some stink. Ah. Ah, yucky. That's the sound. Ghain. Ghain. Drink some water and gargle it to know how to spell. Gh. Fa. Fa. Qaf. Qaf. Kaf. Kaf. Lam. Lam. Mim. Mim. Noon. Noon. Ha. Ha. Wow. Wow. Here, the famous reaction when something impresses you may come to your mind. Oh, wow. No, it's a letter. Even though that would be a good association to memorize. Ya. Ya. And the last one is Hamza. Hamza. Hamza is the letter's name, but once you read you don't spell it like that. It's a vowel. It always comes individually in the word's end, like a. For example, sama, sama, which means sky. Thank you very much for watching, guys. We wish that to be a useful knowledge for you. Now, subscribe our channel and stay tuned for all the next lessons. Lingua Space is your place.